What's going on, guys? What's happening?
This open's gonna be so interesting. We still technically have Asia low to take out on NQ, although ES did take it out.
Oh shoot! Forgot to get situated here for all this craziness. Not that it doesn't really matter as much. We do have the opening bell going on. What is happening, everybody? What is the ordeal?
Just really quickly, gotta make sure my Grand Cup account is what's up. Yes, it is. Okay, good. Good.
Here.
Would not shock me if they head fake at the open here, so I'm not trusting the first 5-minute candle. But I'm gonna be looking to get in towards the end of the orb if we keep moving.
Yeah, let's see.
Here
So far, we're just continuing
to here.
to the downside. Gold is holding that monthly open level, 4,001, for now at least. For now at least. Damn, YM is pushing up like crazy. Sheesh.
What's up with
Pull up
that?
YM
Oh,
really
it's
quick, look at that.
delayed. Why is it delayed? You freaking guys.
Holy pop.
Holy.
What's up with that?
Yep. Yeah, Gary, I think you're safe anyways. You don't have to trade anymore right now. You're just sitting there. Rank, overall rank, 53. No, you don't have to do shit. Just wait for people to blow their accounts.
And if we head fake at the open, they will blow accounts. Actually, people are probably blowing accounts now. Whatever.
Yeah. I blew account.
You embraced your inner degen, and look what happened.
I did. But it was fun. I must say it was fun. I tried to go for greatness or darkness. I ended up in darkness.
Right.
But now I can focus on my other account, so that's great. But the Grand Cup is so fun, like honestly. Trading and
It's
competing with
a
other
great
traders,
listen.
it's awesome.
We can debate about how much like actual, you know, there's skill. Whoever wins is going to be a skilled trader. I have no doubt about that. But there is to get hot and get some trades over the course of a few weeks. Like you need luck and skill. Whoever wins this thing is going to be a skilled trader, and they're going to have had some luck go their way as well, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But again, like I said, guys, don't. You know, whether you're still in or you're out or whatever, just in a few weeks, everybody's going to be back to trading their own accounts. And yes, a few people have made some life-changing money along the ways, and a bunch of people will get their first live account to trade. Outside of that, you know, just still try to follow what you do. And again, don't develop bad habits within this. But just following this and watching the shit talk online, it's fun. It's a blast.
Oh hell yeah. Bull trader, yeah, I did. Too hard to go home. I went home pretty fast. All right, monthly open is holding on gold. Very interesting. Well, to be expected, honestly, with 4,000 being right there. Cameron, once you get that message, you might want to make sure that you watch live, because the Lightning Funding giveaway is over. We're going to do another one, though, so stay tuned. More is coming. NQ continuing the push to the downside. About to take out London Low. London Low is sitting at 25,630.
Stop, dude. Stop freaking moving.
We almost tapped into it right now. Very close. Haven't not
Oh,
taken
shoot.
it out.
Oh.
We could see a sweep of London Low and Asia
Oh,
Low and then push higher. Let's see.
All right, first 5-minute candle is going to be wrapping up here in a little over 30 seconds.
Well, well, well.
Wow.
Look at Miriam's P&L.
I saw that, yeah.
Drew is goated for those.
Yeah, speaking of Drew, if we could get the goat up for tomorrow, that would be appreciative.
Oh, that would be very good.
You weren't here for that, were you?
No, but I screenshotted it. I was
we all
watching.
did.
I was watching. All right, still the London Low to take out here. 2950 is actually where it's at. And we did
I
take
should
that
have
out.
let it go all the way to 685.
Next is
That's what I'm
Asia
thinking.
Low. Asia Low sitting at 25,617
69.
on NQ.
600. Well,
Let's see if we get some follow through here.
Well, if they're gonna bounce, it needs to be here. Because if we get below,
Yeah. I mean,
got some room.
I would like for it to actually sweep Asia low here at 617 and then move higher. That would be ideal for me. Basically, ideally, take out Asia low at 25,617, then turn this 30-minute candle, like flip it and turn it into a bullish candle, and I'm gonna be a very happy person to take the longs here.
Yep, just watching and waiting here, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Just watching and waiting.
I would prefer if it would sweep Asia low. As said, 25,617 is Asia low. I think we're gonna get that. Might be that we don't move up after, but that would be okay too. Then I start looking for bearish setups. Gary, whenever I share my screen, I start lagging for whatever reason. I don't understand why. That's why we show Matt.
What's going on, folks? Happening? We getting any love today? Are we gonna get any trades today? I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I'm still figuring all the little technical issues here, but yeah, we okay,
Matt,
yeah.
If you pull up the 5-minute chart on NQ,
It's literally what I have.
We're gonna see
yeah, since
what.
like an hour ago.
Guess we could just talk
one
about what
trade,
we're looking at
one
here.
candle.
Yep.
One.
And we were starting this
Overall,
sell-off
with
here.
this here,
And again, I don't know what specific
it's
news
very close to like a
item
3-minute.
it was,
Okay.
but
Or a 5th.
yeah,
Or
it just
maybe
seemed
like
we
a
seemed to
10.
get a little bit of a
Something like that. It's kind of
of
essentially
flush
what
there on either
I
the
would
Israel
say
news
it's
or
closer to. This is
there's also going to be, guys, there's
seemingly.
a news bit. So you know our Supreme
Let's see,
Court
is
is
it close to a 15?
weighing the legality of the way Trump
I don't
puts
know,
tariffs
maybe
on.
less. I think
It's
in
obviously
somewhat,
generally
sometimes
been
it
a court
does.
that's been friendly to him in supportive of what he does. But it seemed that the
We have VWAP,
questions were a little
session
skeptical
VWAP.
even from some of the conservative judges. So now there's some talk out there,
And-
okay, if it's ruled that these tariffs are illegal,
Actually,
they may
I think
have to
that was
actually
pretty close
refund
to our
that money to companies
200.
that paid them.
Yeah,
So
this
it
is
said,
the
here's
closing
this is a news bit. Trump may have to
price
refund
yesterday
tariffs. These stocks could benefit. Wells Fargo
of
said
the normal
companies hit hardest
session.
by the tariffs could gain the most,
Um,
including Caterpillar, Nike, Five Below, Best Buy, and Gap. Caterpillar fell sharply during post-tariff flare-ups, but is now up 57% year to date, helped by
We are just hitting
AI-related
a
power
resistant
equipment demand.
level.
Goldman Sachs expects a
do
Supreme Court ruling by January.
See how this
with
is coming
refunds
up, but we
potentially
do
taking
see some
months to
turning over
process.
here.
So just
We
something
are
to keep in
looking
mind.
at another bottom here
Why
as
they
far
didn't fast
as
track this whole thing is beyond me.
overall.
I think the Supreme Court could
It's a little
get off their
interesting.
asses and get us a
I
ruling on
do
this.
kind of want to short that, but maybe we keep it pretty tight.
We did not swipe.
We do
sweep
have
Asia lows. Damn it!
them
Can I
down here at
finally take that out?
600-ish.
Please.
Likely
want that.
because
Yeah, that would be an ideal
Of
setup for me.
We got within
It's
two
the people.
handles. Isn't that close enough?
the people, you know.
I mean, the thing that I do like is that we did sweep
Alright,
London
it
low,
did-
but I
did
would
go to auto
still
break
like to
even.
get a sweep of Asia low as well.
We're gonna just keep moving this down as much as we can.
DXTrade says CPI day is coming. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's my favorite.
I
day
have
of the
no,
month.
I have no illusions. You know, little Degen's loading up for that.
Hey, it's my favorite day of the month, man. Thanks to Lil Degen, background Nick. Put me on the sauce. Yeah, Alexander. As I said, London lows are swept, but I want Asia low to be swept as well.
Should probably pull. All right. Should have kept it.
Do you think
Probably should have kept that.
CPI is going to be?
It's probably gonna go down now.
Scheduled on the 13th, or do you think they're going to push it back to like the 27th again, or 26th?
That I don't.
I think when we grab a bias like that,
They
and we see a good move, I think we should keep those.
with some of this, and
But look at this.
By bite the other day from the
Look at
Treasury
it.
Secretary says,
It's
I'm not,
moving
we're not
down.
releasing any
You know what I
data
mean?
until the shutdown is
It's
over. But
working its way
but then
down.
They have. So
I actually said that. We should have
it's a-
kept that in.
it-
Yeah,
it-
well, we would have done
politicians
right
do
there for that.
Watch what they say.
Would have been
Watch what they
perfect.
say.
Would have been beautiful.
Fair. Yeah,
It's
let's
a
see what
nice little
happens.
pullback right there.
Hey,
You know
we
what I
did
mean?
sweep
That's
that
when
angelo now.
we got in.
Finally. Now the question is it going to push further down or?
All right, so it actually
are
took
we
those
gonna
out
see
down there.
reversing?
Okay.
It's
I
just
would
it's a little I will say it's a little frustrating to get this big of a move into the open, right? Because
Yeah.
right now there's no more value to the short
I don't
side. Now,
think it
that doesn't mean
actually.
we
I don't
go
think
down
it's going to
another
touch
200
that level
points, guys.
for
I wanna
a
be very clear
while.
on what I'm saying. I don't want anybody to misinterpret. But for me, I am a momentum value trader. I'm usually trying to catch. I'll play continuation, but I love a good reversal. Like I really wanted this to mount at this point. If this had cracked 667, I was going to try to degen this up to beat Bob. But now we've got to break down and we got to sweep to those lows. So for me, it's hands off at this point.
You should say 67.
667.
You did it again.
All right, what kind of retrace can we have right now?
He's not even realizing what he's doing. Chat.
I said 667, not 67.
I know. Now you said it though.
Fuck out of here with that Gen Alpha bullshit.
Jesse's starting it now. All right, let's see if we can get the push up here on NQ. All I need is a bullish 30-minute candle close. So ideally a candle close over 676.
Pretty big short bias right now.
Golden for long here.
ES breaking down, NQ breaking down, GC kind of floating a little bit. CL. CL might be interesting for a long back over 59.50, but I don't like anything I see on the longer term charts of this. Hey, Pew Trades, I'm happy to help, man. Yeah, discipline.
Nice. Yeah, I love to see that. Kevin says, locking myself out for the day, got myself out of drawdown and in profit $500. Hell yeah, nice. Nice. Platinum searching, Bodie. Let's see. EL. Oh yeah, nice. Moving up. V-shape.
All right, we're about to.
Anything you see for your system right now?
Nope.
Nope.
No, like I said, I want to bait it right now for me. And again, so I'm one of my funded accounts that I took the first payout in. I got a nice win in it yesterday, so now I still have to build for a few more days. But and then the other one I'm going to process the payout later today. So I'm not touching the fundeds and the two fundeds I'm trading right now. I'll start a third maybe.
All right, here we are.
So I'm really just
Here
concentrating
we
on
are.
the cup account. So honestly, the only thing for me to do here is to wait for what would be a big
punch.
and for
punch.
me, that's to the upside. So I need to see a base. I need to see a bounce. And it may be in the NQ. It may be something else. I've traded. I think I've traded GC in the Grand Cup account too. So, yeah, I'm okay with that. But I need to wait for something
3,
that has.
5.
If I'm trading the NQ, I've got to wait for something that has at least 50 to 60 points of potential profit there. Because again, it does me no good to make $1,000 in that account today. I probably need to make $4 or $5 grand to get. I want to get it above 60 ideally, and I think that'll put me in a decent position going into tomorrow to hopefully set up well for next week.
Yeah, nice. Hey, we are getting that push here now on and
All
Q.
right, it's pushing through middle.
This would be my ideal long setup. As soon as we have a 30-minute candle closure that is bullish, so this candle to flip bullish, get a close, 3-minute candle close through 661, and yeah, then I would take this long all day. This is exactly what I was telling you guys about. Now it just needs to happen. But we're getting closer. We're getting closer. 14 minutes left on this 3-minute candle. 30-minute candle. 14 minutes left on the 3-minute candle. Nice, Nick. Nice. Yeah, Bodhi, that YM pump was short-lived. And quiet, no, I don't trade oil anymore. I don't like oil. Oil, I don't understand the moves apparently, because whenever I enter, it just goes against me. Now I could just flip my positions. You look focused. You're trading the Grand Cup account?
I am not. Well, I mean, I'm looking to. I'm not in a trade, but I'm yeah, over 650 now. There's some possibilities there.
I do like how it's developing. I'm not gonna lie. This is turning into a very nice long setup potentially. Potentially.
Ah, damn! I was just about to look at it in there. It's gonna pump and go without me. Pull back a little bit here.
Where would you enter?
Yeah, I don't know. That's the problem. Yeah, I'm worried about this just kind of rejecting from here. The other thing to do would be to wait for it to test VWAP and VPOP and take a short from there.
Ooh, that would probably be when I would go long. So let's see. I'm just waiting for this 30-minute candle close at this point.
Your 30-minute candle.
Yep. Well, you were complaining.
What, I'm not supposed to trade for 12 more minutes? Man, I gotta trade, I gotta do it, I gotta do it, I gotta do it.
You were complaining when I was trading on the 1 minute, and now you're complaining about the 30 minute?
Yeah, I gotta find something happy about. You know, actually, as I break it down, I'm looking at a couple other time frames and charts on my other screen. Actually, I do like a long.
See if it'll break through.
Of course, I'd like to ride it up there first. There's just a couple areas we can reject here. Yeah, now it just wants to go. Damn.
Run it up. This is turning exactly into what I wanted.
Although I'll tell you this candle, where this candle closes is going to be very important.
Yes. For me, as long as it closes within its previous candle, so anything higher than 667, it's going to be nice. That's all I need. Yeah, okay, I can understand that Matt is mad that I'm not committed to the 15-second chart. Ollie Trump about to speak at 11 EST. Okay. Okay.
All right, see, this is what I was worried about.
Maybe I should have left it up there.
Chase trades, guys. All right, 15 seconds till this candle closes, and then let's see how the next one opens. Wow, look at that, just give it up.
Yeah, this is why we wait for confirmation.
Yep.
We might still get this bullish 30-minute candle. Still 11 minutes to go. Yeah, Dow is dying now. YM.
Although if we go right back up here, guys, I like that.
I'm telling you, this 30-minute candle close bullish is gonna lead to.
I will put in a buy.
Oh my gosh.
So right above the current 3-minute candle. Or like
I do that. Take a couple off at VPOP. And see if the rest can run. Although it doesn't look like that's going to be a thing.
Never mind. 11 It's gone. We're not in anything yet, guys. We're still waiting for confirmation.
All
Imagine
right,
it would be
it's gonna break through.
along with 5 minis and the grand
Once
Cup
it
account.
breaks through, we're going in.
Yeah, I'm pulling that order.
That's exactly what happened to me yesterday.
All right, break through. Let's go.
Just gonna be patient and wait for confirmation, guys. Although this is now looking better for shorts than for longs, I must admit. Let's. No, Gabby, you lost your Grand Cup account. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, you're not on the leaderboard anymore. Damn it.
We're 500.
Oh shit.
There are some people that like that. I think for the next, if we ever do this Grand Cup again, I'm gonna desperately try to get like 20 G's on day one and then just not trade for a week.
I think we're gonna do it again. Oh shit, you know what? Rebecca, so she was at 66k. She fell down to 55 and now she's back at 63. Damn. Okay. Nice.
Yes, this is absolutely the one thing I didn't want to see. I did not want to see us tease a breakout and then break down in the same basically the same candle.
Yep.
Yeah, that's frustrating, but that's all right. That's all right. I still think the money trade here is the bounce, and I don't. That doesn't mean I'm saying that we're going to bounce, or that doesn't mean I say. But the possibility to make a 100-point trade is going to be in the bounce and not the breakdown. Or let me rephrase that. I think it has the highest probability of a bounce rather than a breakdown. Even if this goes down another 100 points, you've got a really good chance for a dead cat bounce of 100 points at that point. I will say if this candle closes back up above 600, I gotta wait until the top of the hour.
Yeah, I have to wait until then anyways.
So say you. I do what I want.
Yeah, you do whatever the fuck you want, man.
Are you, Eric, are you on the...
You don't like the shorts, Crafty? I'm wearing my Tradovate shorts, you know. Oh, the shorts, okay, yeah.
I still need Tradovate shorts. I completely forgot to order them. So stupid. Yeah, this is turning out differently than I would have expected.
Yeah, I think I've said before, guys, you know, when you see enough candlesticks open and close over the years, you do come up with, again, not gut intuition, but you have an expectation sometimes, excuse me, of something that's going to happen. And if it doesn't happen, and that happens, you know, and that'll happen quite a bit throughout the day. But if I'm looking for 2 or 3 things in succession,
Did we remove that off? All right, whatever.
I'm reading the price action right now, and that means usually I just need to take 5 minutes and just kind of let whatever's going to happen, and then go to it.
Yep. Marcos is asking, talking about shorts, where's Miriam? He's looking at sunflowers right now.
Might be flying over the pond right now.
Is she already going back?
I have no idea. I don't know her schedule.
I don't know that either. Well, ain't you keep talking.
It certainly does.
Oh yeah, true, Gary. She's still trick-or-treating. Yeah, we're very close to 60K subscribers, guys. We need to hit that today. Also, next like target to do a giveaway. And we're going to give away another Lightning funded account. So no eval that you need to pass. The next like target is 606. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button, the actual thumbs up below the stream, and get us to 606 likes. And we're going to do another Lightning funded account giveaway.
All right, so what I would like to see, I would actually like to see this candle going about 10, 15 handles lower, but then close back above the low of the previous candle. That could be a really nice reversal pattern.
I'm actually starting to look for shorts at this point.
Come on.
I gotta swing with an uppercut on this one. I gotta try and hit something over the fence here.
Yeah, that makes sense. That does make sense.
Come on, push through.
Insane. Like this hourly candle, it's a 200-point candle. 230-point candle, actually. 240-point candle.
Yeah, I gotta get my book map up. I gotta see what's going on.
You know what's
here.
crazy?
What's crazy?
When price was at 25,768, I said, oh, this is actually looking like a nice short setup. I just need a retest of a fair value gap. Now we're 200 points lower. And we never got to retest. No.
Yeah, there's not a lot of liquidity to the upside here. There's not a ton to the downside either, though. Big order at 530, and that's about it. There's something down at 400, but we're a ways to go till we hit that.
I'm actually on the Grand Cup leaderboard right now, checking how much rank 200 has for N, who's asking in the chat. Let's see. So currently, rank 200 has 13,200 in profit. So with 63,200, you are rank 200.
I think
Gary, does Bookmap actually help? Yeah, if you know how to use it. For me personally, I tried using it. I looked at some educational videos and stuff, but I just decided it's
Here we gotta see exactly how this reacts right here.
But, for example, Miriam uses it and she's crushing it. I think Matt uses it too, and Joey.
I use it occasionally. I got a
We're
really
doing pretty
deal
good.
on it.
We got a solid
July 4th sale, so I just
trade in today.
$200, but
We are gonna stick with the strategy for this one.
Yeah, this 15-minute candle is nasty. Nasty. We could see a 10 a.m. reversal, maybe.
Liking
Right
what I
now,
see.
Everything screams downside.
we're gonna fill.
Let's see. Next significant level is Wednesday's, so yesterday's New York low, sitting at 25,480.
Come on.
And then below that,
Pull down.
London low
There it
at
goes. There it goes.
25,404. There's still
Keep going. Keep going.
some way to go there.
Keep going.
18 seconds left on this 4-hour candle.
Keep going.
Let's see if we get a
Boom.
continuation.
we cleared the orders at 510. There's not any more big orders in the
Let's
board,
go.
at least at that point. Let's see if they can. They'll run that. It may get us down to 500, and then it's decision-making time. There you go.
You almost got 1,000
Yeah, this is gonna
on
take
that
out
trade.
yesterday's London,
Almost.
New York low, most likely. 488. But this is a candle 2 closure on the 4-hour. Very strong bearish setup, fractal model, but now we need a retest first. Retest of like 565-ish would be great.
We could have stayed in there, but it's not part of our strategy. Our other one is their strategy. So I mean,
right here.
this is just scalping here. We do what we do.
Good lord.
You know what I mean?
There's no
Making it
liquidity. We're just
happen.
Swiping lower, lower, lower,
Yeah.
and lower.
This goes.
This is a weird move here. I mean, it's so clean on the 5-minute chart, but now that I see the orders that are on the books, it's
Oh, I love when we do our strategy and it
tweak the
freaking
yesterday's
works.
Mirror Glow now.
It's great.
As
It's
said, the
great.
next target technically
What do
is
we
25,404, which is
executions today?
yesterday's London low.
How did we
I
do?
just don't see any news bite that precipitated this. I mean, there was
Keeps falling.
Why is my trailing max?
Insane.
Boom. I'm actually pretty happy with that. I don't think we need to trade anymore as far as on the
This is
strategy
definitely an
account.
area that
I
is
think we're
interesting
good.
to see if we bounce or not.
well, one kind of scalpish strategy would be taking along whenever it happens when we break a prior candle's high. But it's just and again, there are no big orders on the board right now. Nothing more than, well, there's one at 400, but that's about it. Good Lord. This is the problem here, guys. This is news related. There is a piece of news out there that we do not have that is causing this. And so I'm not going to wade into these waters. I don't care how degenny I'm feeling in the Grand Cup account. When there is a move that does not match what you're seeing on the news feeds, there's something else going on, and wading into it is dumb. Jeez, look at this.
Yeah, I want to join the move, but I need a retest of some sort first.
This is unrelenting. This has been unrelenting selling. Two green candles since 7:30 Central Time, and neither one of them was particularly strong.
Yeah, that's insane. Absolutely insane. So, chat, be honest, who banked on this? I'm pretty sure there is somebody in the chat who took like 300 points out of this. Or at least 200.
Yeah, if price.
Yeah, the Dow is dying off here. ES as well.
Bam.
NQ as well. ES and NQ are
Bam, guys.
they're both about to take out.
Let's
yesterday's
freaking
London
go.
I use the trade exchange, Mitchell.
Let's freaking go.
Quick reminder, guys, we need 606 likes to do a 25k Lightning funded account giveaway. Currently at 509 likes, so make sure you smash the like button if you haven't already. There's enough people to make it happen. Just push it. Push that button.
Yeah, there's something going on we don't know about. I'm happy for the move down, though, even if not participating in it, because we'll get something coming.
Yep. Absolutely insane.
All right, well, clear that 400 and let's see what happens.
Maybe it's a sign that we should do marble races again. Market moving down.
Maybe somebody's doing marble races out in the void.
It looks like Trump is doing some marble races there.
He could be. He could be.
Just continues. That's insane.
Anyway, so here,
Like this 15-minute candle, or like this 5-minute candle, is a 100-point candle. Like,
Yep.
what?
5-minute ATR is at 41. Dev width is 92. Those are both high.
Crazy. That is crazy. We did not take out London lows yet. London low 25,404. We are rejecting there.
Still a big
Stay
order on.
logging
Actually,
for
it's even
more.
bigger at 25,400 now. Let's see. Let me see. I might want to play a little something down there. I'm just gonna make sure it's not a dead cat bounce here. I'm gonna ease into something here. I think. Hold on. Wait for it. Let's start with 3. I may add.
3 minis?
Yeah, but I gotta wait for a.
Where? What was your
down.
entry?
Yeah, I'm not sure yet. And again, that's the problem.
Oh, you're not in it yet?
No,
Oh, okay. I thought you were already in.
probably below 450.
Speaking awesome.
Gary, you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get in below 450.
High frequency trading edge. Matt is trading his Grand Cup account. He needs to make some money.
Yeah, I'm hoping this is a dead cat bounce and that will flush because that big order's still on the board at 400 and it's gotten bigger. So I'm gonna go 3 and then I would add 2. Okay, I'm in here, guys. Add 2 on a break below 420.
20. So what was your entry for the 3?
That would have been at 449.
All right. 449. Matt, make us proud. Take Team TV to the #1 spot. I like it.
Yeah, I'm really hoping that 700 contracts at 400 acts as a little bit of a magnet.
Maybe get into volume.
Yes. Yes. Like, we're not even gonna trade those accounts anymore. That's how good we are.
Let's see. No, Sergey's Matt is short, and he's getting his short now. Nice. Very nice.
If we
See if we
get
get-
down to 400, I will start scaling out of the position. Probably take 2 or 3 off, and then leave a couple to see if we got another leg down.
Over.
Llama is asking, "Where's your stop loss, Matt?"
What's that? I don't know her.
It's a Grand Cup account, Llama.
Yeah, I mean it's going to be an aggressive stop. I mean I'm not going to blow the account on this trade, but if I end up down a couple thousand, I will probably take it off and then really degen
But
into something again. It's my Grand Cup account, guys. I'm being a little aggressive with this, but if we get to 400, I feel pretty good. I feel like they're collecting orders for a move here. I think we're about to get a big move. I don't know. I think it's down, but I'm not. Just full disclosure, guys. This is probably not a trade I would take in a personal account. But again, I'm
pretty much done for the
not
day, guys.
chasing, and I'm just sitting there waiting for
That's it.
an opportunity because I got to put a few grand on
I'm
the
just
board.
gonna
today
chill
on this
out.
account, so
Oh, that's fair. ES, that's insane. ES bottom ticked the London low, like yesterday's London low, like to the tick, and is now rejecting.
all right, this is not good, guys. This is not the strength I wanted to see here. I'm gonna give it a few more ticks, but did not want to see a break of the high of that candle.
Well, once we traded, like for me, once we level, especially the ready trade.
Could just be a retracement though.
It could be. I mean, I'm hanging for a minute, but
I would. I mean, the 50-minute candle is still bearish at this point.
yeah, they're layering in orders up above. They're trying to pull this up.
YM is getting some strength as well. Yes, too.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
What is your cutoff point?
Very close.
Hold on to it.
Yeah, for now. I mean, there's no reason not to. But
Add into it, Matt.
damn, you really want me to degen this shit, huh? Fuck it. I'll get in 2 more at 60. It dips back down there. Why not? Oh, it's gonna take it and then pop it. All right. Well, fuck it. Let's go. Let's ride.
Are you in 5 now?
Now I'm in 5.
If it tanks now, you're gonna be golden. What's your average now?
453.
Okay, so you're only down 1,000.
Still got that big ass order at 400. That's probably where I'd look to take. I'll take 3 profit there. I'll let the rest run if we get there.
Oh hell yeah, you're in profit now. Let's go. Let's go. The full port that shit.
Down beat.
That's clean. I'm telling you. That was turning into a DJ, everybody.
Hey, I have said since we announced this competition, you're not going to win it or even be in the top 200 unless you're degenning just a little bit.
Just a little bit. I mean,
If I get a break of the low of this candle at 34, I'm sitting good. I will feel very good about the trade at that point. They're still jerking around on the order book a little bit. But if we can get back below 30, I feel really confident about this trade.
Mm-hmm. You should. Are you going to take something off at the low or no?
No, I've got 3 contracts coming off at 402.
Okay.
Because again, if it gets through this low, it's gonna go test 400 because there's a huge order on the board there. Might not fill it, but if I'm setting at 402, I don't need it to fill. So I just need it to run to that level.
I am also looking to take shorts actually.
There's a 732 contract sitting on the book at 400. Need a break at 30. Here we go. Keep it going.
Nice, Matt.
Keep it
Let's
going.
go. Let's go. Told you should add. Let's go. Nice. Push it. Push it.
Let's get down there, boys. Let's get down there.
Previous day low, man. 25,281.
Don't you fucking
I'd
give up
cry.
on this candle.
What?
Don't you do it.
Push it down. Yes, let's go. Are you trailing?
Oh, I'm not gonna take a loss on this now.
Yeah, but are you taking profit? Like, are you trading?
I'm 402. Actually, right at the. I'm gonna move that right to the low of this candle. If this candle makes a new low, don't you fucking do it. Don't you go down just a little bit and then run.
Oh, come on.
Don't you do it.
You have stop at break even?
If we get above 40, I'll take it off.
Ooh, that's a good day, bro.
on,
It's a
give
good
that
day.
man his
It's a
money.
good trading day, man.
God, he's gonna take Team Tradovate TV #1 spot. It just needs to drop here. Oh, come on.
All right, we're off there.
It's still 1,000 though, right?
Yeah, no, it's all right. It's yeah. See, it when it swept that low and then didn't confirm that, and it still might. It still may get down there, but after sitting there, I mean, I was close to blowing this. I'm not gonna. Yeah, see, it's getting some strength now. Well, puts me up at 56,500. So yeah, it was a little under 1,000. All right, we'll live to degen another day.
That's still nice. Chat. Why are we only at 528 likes? We need 606.
Yeah,
We're gonna give you a lightning funded account if you get us to 606. But Matt, that will have that's gonna switch up the ranks a bit. That's good.
For something else here, guys. I don't like necessarily. I will say this, guys. A break of the -1 standard dev band to the upside. That could be nice. I don't want it to be on a strong candle, though. I want it to kind of move up here and then punch through. And again, that order's still on the books at 400. So we'll see. Maybe I'll reload this if we roll back down. But
I know I could have done it.
Gold,
I
nothing
know
royal.
we could be in our max.
I'll go.
Ooh, so good. You know how good this feels to just be in it, to just be where you should be. I have no idea why
That's
our
funny.
trailing max
So
moves so much.
that's actually
It's kinda
insane.
weird.
I've not seen that in a while. ES bottom ticked yesterday's London low to the tick, and NQ bottom ticked yesterday's London low to the tick. Both of them. That's crazy. So NQ
Because
and
that
ES bottom
move
ticked yesterday's London
from
low.
where I got out
Damn,
was not
Insane.
very much. It wasn't $2,000
that's
worth.
very much insane.
I mean, the move that we had was 1,400.
Yeah, keep I know. It's still sick to see. Haven't seen that in a while. Usually it's one that sweeps. Or one that bottom ticks, but not both that bottom tick. All right, chat.
Kind of a double bottom.
Getting that push up on NQ after the sweep. You know what? I'll try to share my screen again. Maybe Drew, we can plug it in and then let's see if it works or not. But I hope I don't lag too much. We will see. All right, there we go. Look, this is what I mean, guys. I'm gonna pull this up really quick. Here you can see this red line on ES, yesterday's London low, bottom ticked. Red line on NQ, yesterday's low, bottom
Man,
ticked.
that's
Crazy.
wild.
Could be a reverse
Wild.
there. Let's see.
I like it.
Gotta be patient, obviously. Don't just long
just
this
so
because
happy.
you think it's gonna go up.
I'm so happy right now. Like, just
Don't
sticking with the
just long this.
sticking with the strategy. It's just
On
feels so
folds,
nice.
where's Matt?
You know?
I'll take a guess. Did we cross 60k subscribers yet? No, not yet. 59.9.
I don't think we trade this one
9.9.
anymore, so we're at 1,000. Or 1,000. No, 117.
Yeah, this is crazy.
18.
From that bottom there, it's another almost 100-point move. Actually, we did make an 100-point move since bottom taking that London low. That's insane. Anna, can I show my indicators? Yes, I can. Here you go. Here are all the
3-0.
indicators I'm using. Yes, Oki. He went to polish his head. That's what he did.
I like it. I like you guys. Oh, I guess we could have went along with
On with Fold. I'll
the
tell him
other
after when he's back. I tell him.
accounts that we need to trade,
He's gonna
but
love that.
we're good, man. We're good. We're good. Don't even change
So who has banked
the
so
way
far,
today
guys?
is. There's no need, you know. We
Who's
don't
made
need
money?
to change today.
And how
We
much?
don't need to change it. Why do we need to change it?
I'm up $859, but that's from the London session. I'm actually glad I made money in the London session. 'Cause I just didn't find an entry so far in the New York session. We might still find a trade, but so far, didn't find anything. chasing trading you have, nice.
It's wild.
One is green. Earl G, 4K. Pip rolls, me, nice.
It's wild.
Nice, guys.
Well, I think we're doing pretty good.
You are banking, and we love to see it.
Yeah.
It's always great to see when you guys are making money. But even better when we see you guys sticking to your rules, like discipline.
We still got to get pretty far.
That is what you
but,
need. All right.
you know,
Why
I
is
don't really
pumping
care. Like, we got to stop thinking about.
High frequency. You're
Here's
up
the
$7.
thing.
Nice. All
We
green,
had-
I guess. Matthew up
Our
40,
very first
David,
day,
Brody
we
up
got
just
out
under
too
1K.
early. We could have made it through. 7 max.
280.
But let's just say extra $50. Okay, we didn't really.
You are, Tony.
I think we missed a move on the
You guys are
second
crushing
day.
it. Good to
Let's
see.
just say
Good to see.
we made the $100 there. We'd be
Good to see. Tradinger, what if your rule is always full port? Well, then you're always sticking to
6.
your
We'll
rules.
just say
That's easy.
30 more bucks so we can make this math.
But if
really
you're not making
easy.
money, your rules suck.
Okay,
Oh shit, who's that? God? Is it
or
you?
20 more bucks.
Yes, it is I. Full port everything all the time.
So 100. Okay,
And you're back.
Not
whatever.
financial advice, not blasphemy. Sorry.
And we got the next day. We did
You know
pull,
what?
I think,
now
a little
now You
early.
get to talk to the stream on your own.
No, I think that was
Okay.
fine.
I
We
gotta
pulled
go.
early on the
fine.
bottom one. The
Breaks
bottom
fine.
one, so we would probably be at 2,500.
Oh, now so we did push right back. I did tell you guys that if we fail,
We'd be at 2,500 on this
bottom
one.
pick, like
Yep.
just a few points away from.
Oh,
that.
really?
That's dirty. That is
I
dirty.
think on the other account.
At least you got out.
Well,
Yeah.
okay, no, we'd be at
I did. It has a
2,500.
small profit. I'll take it. But actually, I
Let's just
might
say-
be very interested. Let's see. Is that order still on the board? It's still
We did take the other one. We'd be at 3,000.
Let's say.
So
I was
we're a
initially
little
thinking of a run back to Bebop.
three-
Let's see if,
3,000. And I don't really care. Like, we're halfway to what we would have got on that.
we shall
Let's
see.
just say
I'm
100,
Basically, guys, the 5-minute candle at the NQ is painting right now.
potentially
If it
250 more.
negates that candle,
So, I
might
mean, we're not really that far off.
But again,
And
we're showing some strength on the
even
close
though,
of the
like,
candle, so
I'm calculating
probably,
that of what we could have had,
um,
we could also had a
yeah,
red day.
probably just gonna,
Okay, so this is what I was trying to get to. Is we can actually, those days could have been red. Okay. So, this is where we have to kind of think about where, like, especially the day we didn't trade. That could have been a red day.
fortunate the way that
It actually would go
the
negative.
previous candles
So
turned
that's
out
where we gotta
give you
be,
the opportunity to take a small
Mature
profit.
enough to sit here and think, like, hey,
It would've-
even
I was
though
still in that trade, the
we
count would be
didn't
gone
get a
at this
full,
point, so,
you know, where we would want to get the $100
yeah,
or the
I think it's,
$1,000.
you know, guys, I kind of this is
Kinda
what
made
I
up
call
the
more
2
of a
days right
guideline.
there,
We
right?
were very
And
close
we
on the
kind of
down
made up
market. I was
on the
very
one
sure
trade.
once got below
We
that 430
could have
area,
been higher.
not
We
only
have to take off this strategy because if
I
we
actually
don't,
kinda thought maybe
then
we'd swipe at 20, 30 points
that's
and
how we
then- and
ended
then
up
run
with only
back up.
$100 yesterday. But
But
you know,
once
to
you-
be
if you're
fair,
pretty sure
again,
something's
like
happening,
these
it doesn't
days,
happen,
you
you
gotta be
usually wanna
okay
just
with
take a
even the
couple of
small
minutes and
losses.
reassess.
I
Like I
really
said,
do.
I
Because
you guys
technically, I
often
mean,
just
if they're
get
red
yesterday,
days, you're gonna go
yesterday,
negative,
I just
right?
have a lot of-
So the fact that I'm
don't have
positive
a lot of
$100
choices
or just didn't take a
You have
trade
a lot of
that day
choices
on
for
Tuesday is
So I
also
always
good
think
because,
the OU
like,
offense is
again,
like the very
0 is better than a negative.
some
You
good
know what I
trades, some
mean?
good education,
So
some good conversation, having fun.
that's just
um, but
It's
we
just
owe you
life.
authenticity. And I'll be honest, guys.
Now,
this
I
is
do
complete
want to
price
jump in
action. I just
here,
don't-
but I'm
for the
not
most
going to.
part,
I'm
I
not
don't
going to
feel like
ruin
I've gotten the
today's
best
feeling
deal.
right now.
So
I
at that
want to
point, I
feel
need to be
good
very
about
cautious,
doing a
despite it,
strategy.
even from a DGen point of view in the Grand Cup. But I would like a
I really
reversal
do
of
need to
this
trade
candle.
some other accounts.
Schrodinger, maybe you're right.
I have
and
one
the
that's
low a day is in,
100%. I'd like to
but
keep
if
it
we
at
get some
100%,
strong
but
selling, I don't know. We'll see.
You know,
Again,
I
there's
just-
the news behind this, whether it's tariff related.
it doesn't even really matter today.
Yeah, I mean, market lows a day, no headlines.
We've
to move
traded
lower is
almost
what's in the news.
all
So
of
again,
our
at that point,
accounts.
I need to. The good news is I think there's going to be a lot of moves today, but
We just
yeah,
need to
I
trade
just
our
gotta
bright
see,
funded.
see what's what.
Uh,
Yeah, YOLO.
wait, there's 2 other accounts that we need to trade.
YOLO life, not your account.
But you know, we're good.
All right, well, this
I'm
candle's
just really
cool, guys.
stoked.
Let's take a quick look around the horn here. Yes, pretty similar pattern to the NQ.
We
and
took
shot
like
there.
$1,000-something loss.
GC is making a run
on
to reclaim 4,000.
Our scalping account. And the fact,
And fuck oil. You know, RTY
the
rejected.
fact that we are so
Sets up for a
just positive on our other one is just really telling me that I need to go ahead and stick to my strategies because it just
yeah, there you go. There you go, Mitchell. Here's an interesting well, it is market related in a way, guys. That UPS plane that crashed and exploded was recently grounded for over a month for critical fuel tank repairs. Whoever fixed that fuel tank, don't give them any more work. All right, Fred, man, just do what got you there, man. Don't you can do it. We believe in you. Yeah, let's see how we react to 85. The good news is, guys, I got 1,000 out of that trade about. I think it was like 1,004. I don't know. So that gives me a little profit to play with today. I would be interested maybe in doing what I was initially scaling into that to that trade as I did. Let's see if we run down to 85. I might put a couple on, grab a couple more if we get below 60. If we get back down here, guys, in the 20 to 40 range, I do think we're gonna go test. We are finally gonna go test 400. Again, is that order still on? That order is no. They pulled a lot of it. Okay, it's down to 230 on the books. There, it was over 700. So somebody with 500 contracts doesn't think we're heading back down there.
Even though we've got a lot. Oh yeah.
You know, I understand that, Chris, but I would actually be very interested
Very simple.
to see what Tank would say about how people are trading these things. I mean, listen, you guys have always heard me say if you're trading paper, you're trading eval, you're trading this, like, trade it as if it's your own money, trade it just like you normally would. But again, you're normally you against the market. It's your P&L is the only one that matters. That's not the case in this particular competition. So
fucking.
Hello, my market friends.
Satan?
Yes.
Well, I guess I should be looking down then.
I was like, yeah, what the fuck are you looking up for?
Satan? How's Cheney doing down there? Oh, never mind.
Hey, I'm back, man. Well, I'm still under you, so you're fine with
Yeah.
looking down.
Hey, it's a family show. All right, so on a break of 80, guys, I will take 2 contracts short, and I may add to that. Let's see if we can't get back down.
I do want to see it close through 475, and then I will join you on shorts.
I'd probably take a couple contracts on a break of 80. And then I may add some below 60. Actually, we'll go 3 on the initial entry. And add 2 at 60.
Hmm. So what are you in right now?
Nothing right now. I've got a sell stop at 479.25, 3 contracts there, a sell stop at 460.
Okay.
Now, if we pop back above 520, I'll pull these orders.
That makes a lot of sense. Although if we do hold this level right here, if we hold 75 and we get a 3-minute candle closure through 32, I could see this turn into a bullish setup for me. Let's see. But right now, still looking for shorts.
I know
Yeah, JB, London was great today. I agree. London was awesome. Oh, Matt about to get filled.
Yeah, I'm filled on the first 3.
Nice. Very nice.
Filled on the next 2.
Okay, Matt in 5 minis now.
Yep.
That's what we want to see. Full port Matt is out, guys. He's out hunting for profits. What's your target?
Let's see. I'm gonna take 2 off at 430, and I'll ride the rest to 400. I will play this trade approximately break even at this point.
All right, nice. Nice trade, Matt.
You know, I'm gonna move this buy limit up a little bit because we got a lot of noise on the chart here. I want to bank a little profit in it.
Oh, that makes sense. That's for 2 minis, right?
Yes, that's to take 2 off, and I am gonna go ahead and put a stop in there at about 10 points profit.
All right, so worst case, you're up 2K for today.
That's it. Yeah.
Nice. Well, you're about to
All right,
take
we
this
gotta
one
go.
home.
Hope so.
Come on, give him that fill. It's teasing.
It really is.
Like one little push.
All right, so I basically got the trade managed at this point, guys.
Yep. Nice. Great trade, Matt.
Come on, give me that surge down. Take those contracts.
Funny. You're ready to close this motherfucker, huh?
Let's see how this candle closes. I am, yeah. If I can book a couple thousand or close. There we go. Come on, push it down. Down beat.
A dump beat for Matthew. Chat, by the way, we still need 606 likes to get to
Okay,
the...
Phil on 2.
Nice, Matt. W in the chat for Matt, guys. Let's go. He's taking us to the promised land here. Team Tradovate TV, to the top. Nice, Matt. Great work. Go get those monies.
All right, I'm hands off on this trade, guys. The last three are they're going to close at 50 or basically right above 400. So I'm hands off.
Nice.
I ain't going to look at it. Somebody tell me what's going
Hey
on.
guys,
What's your? I'll tell you what's going on. But what's your?
we really do
help
gotta
for
go.
today on this?
We really do gotta go.
Uh,
Let's not be late.
Just put in a couple.
All the loves,
right
guys.
now,
Thank you for
about
stopping
1700.
in. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the journey.
Man, flush this
Really
shit.
happy
It's gonna
today
tease me again.
that we stuck to the strategy.
Well, it's going down now.
We actually took profit,
I
a
will
decent
trail this
profit
stop,
today, and we just gotta be happy and
get
proud of
below
ourselves,
20.
even though it
Start
is
kinda moving it down.
essentially
Price action.
one
Actually, fuck it, I'm gonna move it a few right now.
day
I would not
out of the
normally
week that we
overmanage a
took
trade like this,
full
guys, but again, this
in
is
the
the
full
basics.
profit
Lock
range.
some in.
That were in our targets. We're
Nice.
good. We're
Pushing
happy.
down.
Peace.
Come on.
All the loves.
Give him his
See
money.
you later. Oh my gosh, just drop it. But you know, we're gonna just let that be. We don't even need to do anything about it.
Beautiful.
This
Happy.
is strong. I'm gonna be moving. Oh, it's
Happy,
okay.
happy.
Hey, there
We're
we
gonna
go.
save our workspaces.
Let's go,
Alright.
Matt. Let's go. What's up? What does
That
put
puts
you
me
up
up
for the day?
to just under 62,000. So I'm gonna ride
We're
that
good.
out for the day.
We're good.
See what happens.
Just don't even worry about it, guys. Don't even worry.